Okay, time for a little sneak preview of the chat functionality that we've been working on at Stream. So with Stream Chat, we're aiming to support 5 different chat use cases, starting with people that want to build something like Slack, as well as the social use case. So if you want to build something like Messenger, that's supported as well. If you want to add chat to a live stream, then that's possible. The chat for a live stream tends to be a little bit more compact, but that's also supported. If you want to have more of a customer support type of chat where you have this little bubble icon and it pops up, that's something we can do. It also comes with custom bot integration, so you can use that for the customer support side of things. And the last use case is gaming. So we're aiming to support those 5 use cases. The first launch of chat will be in January. Most of the features are already up and running, but we're still working on the high availability and QA that makes sure that when we keep on working on new releases, things stay up and running and we don't have any regressions. So that takes a lot of time, but we'll get that done by January. We're providing, similar to Stream, activity feed product. We're providing the chat server, the React components, as well as the JS SDK. So with these 3 things, you can build any type of chat use case pretty quickly. Okay, so let's have a look at the demo. Most of the features that you expect from a chat are built in. So if you share a link, check out launch, you'll see that it enriches the URL with the OG scraping and it allows you to play the video. The other thing that's built in is Giphy and Imager. So if you do something like Giphy wave, here you'll see different pictures and you can send the one that you like. If you do something like Imager funny, then you'll get one image that doesn't load and one great image from Imager. So these are there are 5 built-in commands. We also have moderation tools built in. So if you do like ban, if you do mute, and we also support custom commands if you want to add your own. So those are some of the things built in. Of course, it also has the standard stuff like emoticons. So if you want to do go fishing, you can add emoticons. You can add replies. Here's the little button to add replies if you think this is funny. There's also a button here to flag the message, edit the message, delete the message. Of course, there are roles. So if you have a live stream type of chat, you can have moderators that are allowed to ban users, that are allowed to edit messages, things like that. The other thing you might have noticed is that while I was typing, it showed who's typing. This feature can be disabled and enabled. The same is true for all of the other features. So some types of chat you won't want to have reactions. Maybe you don't want to have the Giphy command enabled, things like that. It's all configurable. It also shows the online state. You'll see it also shows the mark scene implementation. So you see till how far someone has read. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's a fully functional chat. One thing I didn't mention yet is we also have threads and replies. So similar to Slack, if you want to have a thread of replies, then that's supported. And there's also AI-based auto moderation. So if someone starts to say things like hate speech or just general like obscene comments or spam, we can automatically detect those and block them. So using a similar type of machine learning that we do for personalization. Yeah, and that was all for this quick demo.